Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll be looking at widgets, customizing these widgets if you need to remove some of the stuff that you don't want there, and adding some you want to add there. So all you have to do is to go to customize. Okay, you can actually go to customize, or you can go to the WordPress dashboard. Once you go to the WordPress dashboard, you are going to realize that, let me just open the website again, and I'm different places where you can actually place the widgets. Okay, you can place the widget at the top, or you can place the widget at the bottom, or you can place the widget on the blog post. Okay, so let me just go ahead and go to appearance, and then I click on widgets. I click on widgets, appearance, and then widgets. So that you're going to notice the widgets are going to open up, and I want you to realize that there are so many widgets areas that you can add content on. So there is the main sidebar. Main sidebar is basically the blog post that you that we have actually set up in the previous video, and then there is the header. You can add a widget at the header, and you can actually add inactive widgets, and then footer builder 2. You can actually play around with that. So ideally, this is done maybe when you want to place an advert on the header part, or add a code or whatsoever. But in this time, we need to focus on the main sidebar. So if you go to the main sidebar, we need to delete the category. Let's say we need to delete the category. Just click on this, and then you click on these 3 dotted lines, and then you just hit delete. Okay, and then I need to delete this one again. I need to delete that. Okay, and what I need to add here is I need to add an image, which is an advert. Okay, I need to add an advert. I can just say from the library, and probably this is an advert that says download by an iPhone. Okay, I'm just gonna click select. It's an image that I need to add, and then when people click on it, they're supposed to be taken to a website where they can buy from YouTube. So let me say if I select on the image, I'm going to click on this link anchor, and then I'm going to say facebook.com, https://facebook.com, and then I hit apply. Okay, there are more settings that you can actually add here if you need to open in a new page. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on update, and then what I can do now is, if say I need to add another widget here and I need to add a video, I'm gonna put YouTube, and then I'm gonna copy my video for how to create a Facebook group in Zimbabwe. I go to widgets, I paste the link here, and then I'm just gonna click on embed. Okay, and then what's gonna happen is that I'm just going to, now if I go on if I wait for the changes to be saved, I'm going to go on my blog. Now if I go on my blog, you're going to notice that I'm going to open one of the blogs. Let's say someone comes to my blog, and what they're going to see, images that we have, the changes that we have done here. So there is a little video, and then there is an image. When they click, they go to the Facebook page or Facebook or whatever to buy. And if I need to rearrange this information, I can just come here, and then once I click on this, I can just click on the arrow that points up. I click on this arrow again, so it's gonna go up, and it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up again, and I'm just gonna hit, I am just going to up again. Let's go up. Okay, let me put this down. Okay, let me rearrange that. Okay, so as you can see now, if I can refresh this, okay, if I can refresh this, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to come back here and then refresh again the blog post, you will notice that the video is actually changed the position. Okay, and then I need to add a text as well. I just click on the plus sign, and then I click on the heading. I just click heading, and then I'm going to say welcome video. If I say welcome video, and then I click outside here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this. What I need to do is to move this up. I move it up again, I move it up again, I move it up again, and now it's on top of the video. If I update here, and then what I'm going to do is I am going to come back here and then refresh, and once I refresh, you're going to see a place that says welcome video. There we have it. So basically that's how you work with the widgets actually. Okay, I was confusing sidebar and widgets. So let's move on to the next lesson. I would love to hear your thoughts about this and what you have done so far, and do send a screenshot of your progress and ask questions. I'll be more than happy to give you answers. With that said, bye for now.